You can also test for ketosis without being in ketosis. There are a lot of companies that are selling pills and potions, some of them very, very expensive, that promise to, quote, put you into ketosis in 30 minutes, in an hour. And what that does is you are basically eating ketones. Those are the pills, those are the liquids. You eat ketones, and within an hour, if you pee on a strip, it's going to show the presence of ketones. That is different from being in ketosis, because these ketones go right through your body and they do not put you into what Chantal is talking about, nutritional ketosis,